I bring to you today an item. Well, I'll explain at the end what it is. But it's the strangest thing I seen. I had to get it. It's just so bizarre. So I'm going to show it to my daughter. I was going to do a guess what the heck is it, but you really can't do a guess what the heck is it with this thing. I couldn't figure out a way because of what it is. So I'll show you what it is. So let me open it up. And my daughter's going to help me on this. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't look. Okay, open them.
It looks like a bomb.
Well, I wouldn't take it on the airport, that's for sure. Go ahead.
I think it's like something.
It says don't touch right there. So what do you do when it says don't touch?
Don't touch it.
No, you have to touch it. Go ahead. Up, up. No, you gotta up. Okay, try it again.
Oh, now I get it because it pushes down the button so it turns off.
Okay.
So it's like that, so it just tries and presses the button down.
It's called the useless box. As you can see, it's very useless. I would not take it to the airport. At all. You tell me. It's called the useless box. I played with it when I first got it, and I couldn't stop playing with it. You just keep.
It's like the battery may be dying.
He's like.
He's looking at you. He's angry at you.
Stop. I said, okay, that's it. I'm turning the box off.
So, I don't think it's worth the money, guys. I really don't. I don't know if I'm going to return it. But it's been so much fun to play with. And it's literally called the useless box. I think that has the name on...
I said...
The pointless home and office desk.
Turn it off.
It's just useless.
Hey, don't do that again.
And you just have fun flipping the switch. So,
hey, stop.
I hope you liked the video. And I think this is probably the most useless gadget I have ever owned.
Oh.
I just got this. It just came in from Amazon, and I'm really excited to do the video on this one. I'm hoping they show it on the Israel show, the podcast that I watch. So, I already opened it, but what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a guess what the heck is it with my family. But I'm going to show you, this will be at the end of the video. So this will be the end of the video, showing you the unboxing and the battery installation and everything before I show it to them. I guess you can pretty much figure what the heck is it right away when you see it. But this is what's called a useless box. Called the useless box, and it's a really cute idea. I saw some videos and I thought it was so cute, so funny. And leaving this out on your table when guests come in is just to see how they're gonna act when they see it. It's gonna be awesome. So it's a box. I believe it takes batteries. Let me do some measurements. So the box left to right, it's about 7 inches. About 4.5 there. 4 1/4. Thickness, it's about 3. Okay, so this is the whole box. It's a wood box. I guess that's why it costs $25. I don't know what this is for. I guess I'll find out. But it's like a novelty box. So it says, don't touch. So that's the idea behind it, is to not touch it. This is the inside, the whole inside. And you'll understand all the pieces once I get it running and you'll see it. And I think it's really cute. What a great idea. Too bad I didn't think of this. Very simple idea. And it takes three AA batteries. You can see it right there. This portion of the video, I won't be submitting it to the Gizwiz. This is the long version, so I'll be doing 2 of these. Okay, and there's nowhere really to leave it, you just sit it there. So this is the whole inside of the gadget. I wouldn't take this to the airport, that's for sure. That's the arm right here, and I'll show you the idea behind it. So you leave it sitting on a table, I don't know, anywhere, on an end table, and you just leave it and you wait until someone reads "Don't touch," and then they press the lever. Do you see what happens? I don't know how you're supposed to actually be looking at him. Seem a lot lower in the... So it does different things. As you press it, it'll take longer. It'll look at you like it's giving me a stare right now. What is going on? Don't tell me I got a faulty one. I wonder what that's for. Is that for anything? Maybe I'm not supposed to leave this there? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Wasn't doing this in the video. Is this stuck? Oh. The arm is getting stuck. Ah, that's not good. He's peeking. That's cute. I just get a kick out of doing this. It's like, maybe it's supposed to do that, I don't know. This is funny. All right, so I'm gonna show it to my family. I think it's cute. I'm gonna leave it out for, you know, after I show it to them as a novelty type of thing, leaving it out. Let people play with it. Let them turn it on and see how much, when you see this pop up, you know? See what they do. Okay. So this will be the end of the video. I just get a kick out of it. I'm gonna put it back in the box like I never opened it. Thank you. I hope the video helps. Bye.